You asked, how to divide 6,352 by 4 using the long division method. 6 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Bring down 3, making 23. 23 divided by 4 equals 5. 5 times 4 equals 20. 23 minus 20 equals 3. Bring down 5, making 35. 35 divided by 4 equals 8. 8 times 4 equals 32. 35 minus 32 equals 3. Bring down 2, making 32. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. 8 times 4 equals 32. 32 minus 32 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1,588.